Muathe with Muathe.com with a quick observation. Naturally, whenever you see a stock stage such a nice run like NVIDIA has done, with the lows here of about 25 in February, highs of about 120 by December, after such a fantastic run, it just makes sense to be looking for the reason or for any reason why this thing would plunge significantly. But even though that seems the logical conclusion after such a nice run, just keep in mind that the stock's been coming back to the 50 on the daily, holding and finding a reason to bounce to new highs. Holding on the 50, finding a reason to move to new highs. Nice double bottom around RSI 50. It found a reason to go back to new highs. Same thing here, held, went to new highs. Double bottom support here, went to new highs. And as of right now, it is coming back and seems to be holding above RSI 50 on the daily. And more importantly, there's the RSI lows line. Let me just change that. And the RSI lows line is coming into play as of right now. Seems like on the daily it is bouncing on this line and again bouncing off RSI 50 on the daily. As long as the RSI 50 on the daily is being used by the stock as a reason to bounce, it's going to be hard to see a huge drop on the stock. At some point down the road, it's going to break down. One of the things to be on the lookout for is for a break below RSI lows on the daily or below the line connecting RSI lows. Until we break this line of support, one should not expect any significant drop. Keep in mind also, as long as the weekly RSI continues to hold above 69.1, don't expect any major pullback. Keep in mind, anybody who's been observing this requirement for not trying to short stocks trading above 69.1 would have been very aware that ever since the stock moved above 69.1 here in May, this is one to avoid trying to short. That remains the case even as of right now. And also, take a look at the monthly RSI. It too continues to trade well above 69.1. And observing this would have kept you from trying to stop this or trying to short this. It's been above 69.1 on a couple of occasions here. During this move here in the lower 20s, it recaptured on the monthly above 69.1 here in February of 2016. Since then, it has remained above that threshold. As long as the weekly and the monthly remains above 69.1, be aware this one could actually go on to record fresh and more improved highs. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. Woo!